Kin nongtrei ka mau mulu Chera Cement Limited haka pratarik unai lur 8,000 arpaway kili ay ka jing tho shaki emily bami khmat na ki seng sang himasima bapher bakin ya kren ya ta ya thira haka dorbar senrai jong ka sarkar jela ka ban sedang haka shipau tarik mentau benai haba kren shkilap thai kubor ba pens kemling do belong o general secretary ula ong bakin nongtrei ketika karkhana ki Shem jingeh shibun namar ka sarkar kam sngap lem ya ki jingeh baki ya kendu nadu baki khlem la ashu ban pemi dew bilat bula ong ru baki khlem pat yo ki tulop jong ki mentala bun benai.
The status of the factory and the non-payment of the salary. We have given the memorandum to all the political parties because we understand that all the political parties, whether from the different party, they have to come together to an understanding that MCCL is a state asset, and we are, as the worker, we are also the asset of the state. So we request you at this point of time that to take this information to all the relevant authorities, whether in the ruling, whether in the opposition, that we are the state asset, that as long as the MCCL plan will not run, the problem of our financial problem will keep piling up. We understand that these months government has given us some financial assistance, but you have to understand that financial assistance is just a consolidated payment. It's not the same as the salary, and that's why we come again to appeal to all the concerned authorities that to please speed up the process, whether we are going forward with any option that the government has given, that the plan should run. That is the main thing. And we appeal at this point of time to all the political parties that please consider us as a state asset, come to understanding that the plan should run. As long as the plan don't run, we as the worker of the MCCL, and especially that side of Sora, we are facing a big problem financially. That's why I request them in this point of time, in this session, that please take this opportunity to come to understanding, to take forward the issue of MCCL and to speed up the status of MCCL. Thank you.